Hi guys, this is Sabrina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm exploring the Loaf on Cuisine, 六福菜館. Seems it has been a Michelin 1-star restaurant for 16 years. Excited to try it out. Let's go! Here comes the fish broth with tomato and potato. There's pieces of tomato inside and also tiny pieces of potato as well, which at first I thought it was fish, but it's not. And here's the cuttlefish sashimi, which costs around 500 or more HKD. It was not as good as I expected for that price. Couldn't taste the freshness of the seafood. But it was pretty chewy though. If you are bored and want something to chew on, it will be a good choice. And here comes the last dish, steamed rice with dry seafood in traditional style. I think this dish is just okay. I've tried some in Thai and I think it tastes better than this one. But they do put sufficient dry seafood in the rice though.